That's where we get on 95, where it ends.
Hey y'all, I just wanted to get on here and talk about why I'm posting this video late, because I made the video in October and now it's December, so 2 months late. And I'm posting a video because I didn't get the time to edit it, and now I just finished editing it, so I'm posting it now. And haven't got the time to edit videos, so I'm trying to edit them, if you guys know what I mean. But I just finished this one, so I'm posting it now, either today or tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys like, subscribe, hit that bell to notify you every time I post. And yeah, hey y'all, welcome back to Living in Belle's World. I look a mess, but it's okay because you guys are gonna see me look a mess like this week. But anyways, I'm doing a vlog about moving to New York, and I'm gonna show you guys me packing and all that. So let's just get right into the video. Hey guys, so it's day 2 of packing and it's already nighttime, but this is my room so far. It's not unpacking, so don't mind the mess. But this is it. We're at that TV still. Closet is almost good. And then we have my sister's room. It's a mess, but it's okay because we're moving.
Yeah, I like that.
This is the hallway. Closets. Yeah.
Does it have a garage or no? I didn't see that.
And then the bathroom.
Yeah.
We have everything packed. It's the living room.
Yeah. Did you see how cute the way it's structured? It's got like a little convention.
Hey y'all, so today it's day 3. It looks a super mess, but it's day 3, and this is what I got done so far. What I got done. It was a lot, but our bed's together, and now I'm gonna take a break and I'll be back. I'm gonna clean off that area, and then we're gonna clean up the beds. I already cleaned up one, and clean up this, and then we're gonna do a closet next. But I'll see you guys when it's clean, like, you know. Hey guys, it's day 4 of moving, and I haven't been recording much because it's been like a lot of, you know how moving is. We leave this Friday. But anyways, what I was saying was I got a lot done. I'm just organizing my clothes and all that, and it's like nighttime already. So I'm trying to do this quick, and I'm exhausted, and I look a mess, and I want to take a shower before I go to bed. So let's just show you guys my room and update you guys. Let me give you guys an update. So it looks a mess, I know, but that's my sister's. She's doing her clothes, and then these I'm doing. Don't judge, but I'm trying to like figure out what clothes I'm bringing and what clothes I'm putting away. But now I'm trying to put all the hangers up and clean all that up. I got most of the closet done. Like if you saw, I had all clothes hanging. But this is a mess. I have to clean this up. Like so far it looks like this here. I'll show you guys. So looks like a disaster. But we're gonna have it cleaned up right now. Hey y'all, so it's currently, let me show you guys the time. Don't mind this, I can clean it off tomorrow. But it's currently 2:51 in the morning, and this is progress so far. So when you come in the room, I clean up the beds, and I'm going through all my clothes tomorrow and going all through that. And but this is some stuff I'm digging. This is going into storage. I'm trying not to be loud because my sister's leaving for school tomorrow. But This is going in storage. That's donation. And then we have hangers. But that's what we have so far. But I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey y'all, good morning. It is currently 12:45. Here, I'll show you guys. 12:45. And it's day 5. And that's my sister. She's shy and she doesn't want to show her face. But anyways, we're just going through some clothes and finishing up the room. So I'll be back when that's all gone. Same with all that. And she's going to do all her stuff. And now I'm going to do all my stuff. So I'll be back with you guys in a little bit for an update. Hey guys, so it's day 6 of moving. And this is the progress we have. Now, it's empty, super empty. That's the things we're taking. But let me show you guys every room. This is another room. This one. Okay guys, so this is a living room and it is getting there, but we put all the furniture and all that right there because we're gonna take that tomorrow. And then the cabinets are all empty in here. I'll show you guys in a minute. This is a garage. Break down this bed tomorrow. Take that. Take these. It's looking good so far, but we're getting there. We have 2 more days left before we leave, and now I'm just putting these up. So I'll be right back. Hey y'all, good morning. Today it's day 7 of moving, and we just moved all the couches and all that in the thing, but this one's going to my sister's house, so we're not moving this one just yet. But we've been moving stuff in the storage, couches and all that. I'll show you guys right now, but we got the U-Haul this morning, and now we're just moving things in the storage, the furniture, because tomorrow we leave. Okay guys, so that is the U-Haul that we're putting all of our things in, like the TVs, and this room is almost empty. I'll show you guys the living room. Here's the living room. Kitchen. It's a mess right now, but we're almost done. And then bathroom. It's empty-ish. And this hallway closet. Finished with my room. Let me show you guys my room on this bitch camera. Okay, so this is my room. It's completely empty. Only have these 2 things in it. And then this is the closet. This is the stuff we're taking tomorrow. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the morning when I wake up. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. It is currently 7:32, and we're all just waking up to go. Well, we have to finish up some things, and we might leave at 10 or 11. And I'm exhausted. But I'm up. And yeah. Hey guys, so we got this much done so far. We just have to clean the counters and going on the road. I'll show you guys the house right now, so I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
I took a nap and it's currently 6:32 and we let May out of her cage because she didn't like it, and then we put the cat in May's cage right here. Gas station. See you guys later.
Later.
Hey y'all, so we just made it to the hotel and it's pretty nice. I'm gonna show you guys our room, but I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so here's a hotel. Here's a bathroom with the puppies in it. It's a very nice bathroom. And then here, okay, here's my grandma's and my grandpa's room.
Who was interviewed too early on, and Brian Wayavana, who was among.
Bye, till the morning. Stop. We're taking a break and then we're gonna go get back on the road. Hey guys, so we are at Wendy's getting food and I still look a mess. I'm gonna eat and take a nap and show you guys. So it's currently 10:01 and we are at our second hotel, well, the last hotel for this road trip. I braided my hair in the car and I'll show you guys the hotel right now. Okay, so when you come in, you have this closet area and then you have a mirror and then 2 beds, don't mind the mess, TV, and the panels and AC. But let me turn the camera around. But anyways, I am gonna eat and then head to bed, and I'll see you guys when I wake up. See you in the morning. Okay guys, so we're leaving the hotel. Hey guys, so it is currently morning and we're gonna go try to eat breakfast. I feel like a mess, but hey guys, so we made it. I'm in the basement right now taking care of May, but we made it and I am at my uncle's house for the night. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow and talk about everything tomorrow. See you guys in the morning.